A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, a federal appeals court has granted the Trump administration a temporary pause on a lower court's ruling that deemed most of President Donald Trump's tariffs illegal. This decision comes after the U.S. Court of International Trade ruled that Trump had exceeded his authority under the 1977 International Emergency Economic Powers Act when he imposed sweeping tariffs on various goods. The appeals court's order, issued on May 29, 2025, provides the administration with crucial breathing room as it prepares to argue for a longer-term stay while the appeal process unfolds. The original ruling had sparked controversy, with Trump officials labeling it as judicial overreach that could jeopardize U.S. foreign policy and economic stability. The court's decision to temporarily stay the enforcement of the lower court's ruling allows Trump to continue collecting tariffs on imports from several countries, including China, Mexico, and Canada. The legal battle centers around the tariffs that were a cornerstone of Trump's economic agenda, aimed at reshaping international trade dynamics. Trump's trade advisor, Peter Navarro, expressed confidence that even if the administration ultimately loses the case, alternative methods for imposing tariffs would be pursued. The appeals court's order comes as the administration faces mounting pressure from a coalition of state attorneys general and domestic businesses that have challenged the tariffs, arguing they inflict irreparable harm. The court has set a briefing schedule that runs through June 9th, allowing the plaintiffs a week to respond to the administration's request for a stay pending appeal. The Trump administration's response to the lower court's ruling has been vocal and aggressive, with officials accusing the trade court judges of bias and overstepping their bounds. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt and Deputy Chief of Staff Stephen Miller have publicly criticized the ruling, framing it as a threat to the credibility of the United States on the global stage. The legal landscape surrounding Trump's tariffs is complex, with implications for U.S. diplomacy and trade negotiations. As the appeals process continues, the outcome will significantly impact not only the administration's trade policies but also the broader economic landscape. The next hearing is scheduled for June 5th, where the court will further evaluate the arguments presented by both sides. This ongoing saga highlights the tension between judicial authority and executive power in shaping U.S. trade policy, raising questions about the limits of presidential power in economic matters. The stakes are high, as the outcome could redefine the administration's approach to tariffs and its relationship with international trading partners. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.